caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello and welcome to another video. Rather hot here, but this is my very first unboxing video. So today, brand new, not even unopened, is this set of Bluetooth earphones. I think the company is called SP7. Never heard of them before, but there they are. So, what should we do? Let's unbox it. Let's have a look inside. This is quite exciting. There's the rubbish there. Some really healthy to the environment plastic. Gonna open it up here. And there we go. I think this is sort of like a copy version of Beats International, which, let's be honest, are not really good earphones or headphones anyhow. So, I think that will click into place like that, something, and maybe click into place. Got some things there inside it, if you can see there. But it's got all the things you need there, all buttons that you can press. I presume they're actually click. They're not like 3D sensitive. There. What else is in the box? That's it. Nothing else in there. Little USB charger. What's this? Ooh. And a mini jack plug to mini jack plug, whatever that's for. I presume they may go in that little hole there. And the charging thing, not too sure. Do have some kind of instructions here. I think this is going to go as a present to someone. I'll have a read of those later. Pretty basic for you. I'm a person who really uses the Apple products like the AirPods. Not buying the second ones, don't see the point really. May think of the charging case, but I don't use the earphones very often. It's only when I travel and go on holiday. But there we go. SP7, I think these would be great for a present for a kid. Don't need to spend a lot of money getting Beats, and it's got all these buttons here, like your on off there, your play and pause, forward, whatever that is, memory I would take a guess at. So, hope you enjoyed the first one for you on my unboxing of the, what's it called, SP7 Studio 7 whatever Bluetooth speakers. Let's see what they sound like later. But they didn't cost a lot of money. I'm not going to tell you how much they cost, but I think for a kid, maybe like 8 or 9 years old, who's into music, these are going to be ideal. Not very expensive. Bluetooth, it looks pretty trendy. I'm going to read about it more later. Have a great day, and I'll see you for the second one. Bye!